I'm going to prove to you that you don't need to have a big budget to do Montessori at home. By the way, you can start with $1. $1. We're going to the dollar store. Let's see what they have. By the way, this channel is all about gentle parenting, Montessori living, and parenting with understanding. My name is Marcela Collier. I'm a parenting with understanding coach. I'm a certified positive discipline educator and the owner of High Impact Club parenting education online platform. If those topics are of interest to you, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because every week I upload new content. Okay, let's go to the dollar store. Sand timers. I love sand timers, and you know, dollar store has many colors. And the reason is because children learn to manage their own time when they can see the time. So these ones are 2-minute timers, but in Amazon you can find 2-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute, and that way they could manage their own time without you being there on top of them. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Let's do this, let's do that. Kids jumbo tweezers. Yes, these ones are really good for sorting, even for functional kitchen tools. I'm going to get some of this, even for sensory play as well. You set up a sensory bin and they're able to pick the little, you know, whatever you put on the sensory bin, they pick the little items out. Yeah. Wood clothespins. These ones could be used in fine motor skills activities or even academic activities. Look what I found here. Yes, you can paint these different colors and you can poke little holes in egg cartons and they could work on their fine motor skills and do color sorting. These are great for academics as well. You could write their different letters and it could be like puzzles that they could put their names together. So yeah, this is actually a really good preschool tool. All sorts of art supplies that you could just place it in your children's craft area and then let them go to town with some paint. Well, I want to show you too as well that they could work on simple projects such as painting these little boxes, and they could decorate it any way they like. So yeah, that's all Montessori. Look at all this paint, you guys, and it's $1. $1. If you go to Michael's, you don't find a big paint like this for $1. If you want a little smaller size, there you go. Oh, look at this. They could actually store their brushes and pencils. Wow, just $1. Colorful feathers. You can use this as a sensory bean filler. And the same thing with the pom-poms. You can get some of this, mix it together, and then boom, sensory bean right there. Organization is really important in Montessori. Toy rotation, so children are not overwhelmed with the amount of toys or the amount of options. So these bins actually help a lot with keeping the storage pretty tidy. You could do toy rotation, get some of this. It could work as well as the place where you do sensory play, so you fill it up with different sensory items. Look at all these colorful toddler sized kitchen tools that they could use in their for their functional kitchen. Look, the little guy, the little whisker. Oh, look at this. This could even work for fine motor skills activities. I'm going to get 2 of this for the twins. Believe it or not, somebody answer the phone, please. Paper cups are great for Montessori open-ended activities. The twins love them. We have them in the house all the time because they just make up play with that. They build play. They make up castles, they build castles, and and they build other structures, they knock it down, they build towers, and it is a really great item to have. Yeah, the magnifying glass. This is for outside exploration. The twins love this. I think they have one. They need another one. Tell me, of all the things that you saw at the dollar store, which one you want to go get right now? Which one are you more excited about? If this video gave you good ideas, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And by the way, I have an announcement. High Impact Club Parenting Education online platform has a online Montessori bootcamp coming up. It is July 29th, 30th, and 31st, 2021, and you are going to learn from a certified Montessori coach how to create a home learning environment that promotes independence and develop life skills the Montessori way. I'm going to be there as well. Registration opens July 22nd, so be on the lookout. The registration link, you're going to see it on my Instagram bio at High Impact Club, or I will announce it here as well. Keep parenting your children with understanding. And by the way, if you want to learn more differences between Montessori school and traditional school, I have a whole full video. It is this one right here. I encourage you to go there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.